Hey there, I'm Mark and I'm thrilled to have you here with me. Our goal at bike.rent Manager is to make your rental operations sleeker, more efficient, and ultimately more profitable. We'll guide you through our software to help you maximize the value you get from bike.rent Manager. Join over 800 teams worldwide, from dynamic global brands to nimble local enterprises who trust in bike.rent Manager. In this video, we're going to go over using search mode within BRM when you're looking for reservations that have either come through from online or reservations that you've made with your customers in response to a walk-in, phone call, or possibly an email. So we can go to reservations and either hover over here and go to manage, or you can just click on reservations and it'll take you to the main page here. We'll go to search mode, which is already defaulted. And now we've got options to search for what we're looking for. So you can either search by item ID. Maybe you know the exact item ID of the bike and you've got barcodes set up in your system or item IDs. You could search by that item ID. Search by a customer ID if they've given you an ID. Or you can create custom searches here or use the sort of native searches here. So new will show you 5 days of reservations. So 5 days of most recent reservations that have come through. Time frames, you can search today, tomorrow, yesterday. You want to get everything ready for maybe like a Friday and a Saturday. Let's say it's a Thursday night. If you got a busy weekend coming up, easy to search that way. Search for 7 days. This search over here is your calendar-based search. So you can actually, there are a couple of default ones here, last year, this year, and next year. But you can also just choose a specific custom range here if you'd like to search for whatever you're looking for. And then this green search button is what controls this as well. So say we want to go search all of this year, hit the search button. That's going to show you every reservation that's been put in the system for this year there. And then we've also got custom searches that we can create. So those would be the ones I've created here: checked out, confirmed, and tours. Anytime you see a little cog like this within our system, there are a few places you can use these. You can create custom stuff on the fly, so you don't actually have to go into the settings to create some of this. So maybe we want to create one for provisional. Those would be, as I've discussed in other videos, reservations that are either in the process of being made by you or reservations that have come through from online and the customer hasn't yet put in their credit card information. So that bike is being reserved as a provisional, and you may want to see those. So we will tie that to a stage here, and there are a number of different stages you can tie these to. Go ahead and tie that to provisional. And then reservation type, not necessary unless you're using a bunch of different reservation types like tours and things like that. Go ahead and hit save. And now you're going to see that you've got a provisional button, and that will search only provisional reservations there. Those come through in black. So that is kind of how you use search mode there. Once you've searched for what you're looking for, you can also search for customer simply by going into customers and search for your actual customer here. So maybe you're looking for Mr. Smith. He's got a few reservations here. You can either view his reservation here, or if you scroll over, you can create a new one for him there. So maybe we want to view that reservation. That'll bring up just that reservation. He's already checked back in, so we were able to see that one there. And anywhere from this screen, you can just kind of go back to where you were. So we can click new, and then we're going to open the reservation. Say we want to open up one of these confirmed reservations and move it through the life cycle. We can open it from the list. You can also open that from your planner. So you'll see here in blue that the confirmed reservations are there. This is like our little game of Tetris here. All your bookings are kind of falling into the blocks. And of course, there's no overlap or double bookings within the system because it just doesn't allow it to happen. And we can open those from anywhere. You can also hover over them when you're here to view a little bit of data. If you don't feel like opening each one, it makes it really easy. So we can then open it, do whatever we need to do there. So that's pretty much the basics of search mode there. Thanks for watching and happy renting.